Understanding boiler flue, essential vocabulary for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're diving into a very specific but important phrase in English: boiler flue. This might sound technical, but don't worry, we'll break it down together. Whether you're learning English for everyday use, academic purposes, or just out of curiosity, understanding terms like this can be very helpful. So, let's get started. First, let's understand what a boiler is. A boiler is a large device that's used to heat water or other fluids. It's commonly found in homes, factories, and ships. The heated fluid from a boiler is often used for heating buildings, producing power, or for various industrial processes. It's an essential part of many heating systems, especially in colder countries. Now, let's look at the word flue. A flue is a pipe, duct, or opening that leads from a fireplace, furnace, boiler, or other equipment, and is designed for venting gases to the outdoors. These gases are usually byproducts of combustion or heating processes. The flue ensures that these gases don't accumulate indoors, where they could be harmful. Combining these two concepts, a boiler flue is a duct or pipe that carries exhaust gases from a boiler to the outside of a building. This is crucial for safety, as it prevents potentially dangerous gases, like carbon monoxide, from staying inside the building. Understanding the importance of a boiler flue is not just a language exercise, it's also a matter of safety awareness. To help you understand how to use boiler flue in a sentence, here are a few examples. 1. The technician came to inspect the boiler flue for any blockages. 2. Make sure the boiler flue is properly installed to avoid any hazardous situations. 3. During the home inspection, they found that the boiler flue was not complying with safety regulations. That's all for our exploration of the phrase, boiler flue. Remember, understanding such specific phrases not only enhances your English vocabulary but also your knowledge about everyday objects and safety practices. We hope this video was informative and interesting. Keep learning, and we'll see you in our next video.